Hey there and welcome to Beautiful You TV. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful nail decoration. These are flowers which are painted with acrylic paints, and I'm using rhinestones as well. I guess this is a really nice decoration. You can try it out. It's really fast and easy. So if you want to find out how to do that, please follow me. So let's begin. I have painted the nail with the pinkish nail polish, but you can use absolutely any color you want. Then I will need the paints, which I have already showed. These ones are acrylic, and I'm using three colors which I have put on the palette, which is green, red, and white. So here in the palette I will be mixing the colors. I will also need water, which I have put here, and I will need this brush. So I will just show you how I'm going to mix the colors. So I am taking whitish and red color, and I'm mixing them here on the palette. I'm taking a little bit more, so I'm like checking what color is coming out, and if I like it, I just stop. If not, I add a little bit more color. So like here, yeah, it looks more or less okay. So now I'm going to zoom, and you will see how I am painting. So here it is. So you have seen how I was mixing the colors. Now I'm going to draw the flowers. So what I'm doing is, like, with this kind of stroke, I'm creating 4 different leaves. Well, 5 will be okay here. You see, it's so simple. If I need a little bit more color, I just add it and add it here. So obviously I'll take a little bit more red and like this. Okay. And like this and like this. You see, it's very beautiful. Now I'm drawing the same type in the lower part of the nail. So it will be here like this, adding color here and here. You see? Very, very interesting. Now I am using the corner of the brush and drawing like the small flower. You see? It's really easy. And I'm applying a little bit more color and drawing it here too. So this is it. Now I am taking another brush, and it will be, let me take it out, it will be this type of brush. So I'm applying a little bit of water on it, and I'm taking the greenish color, just a little bit, to draw the green part. So basically, like, I'm going down, applying a little bit more color, and like this and this. You see, it's so easy. Now as to this part, a little bit more color and going here. here. Very easy. Now I am creating like leaves over here. I don't have enough color. Apply it a little bit more. Just use your creativity, like the way you like to do. And of course, it needs a little bit of practice, so if the first time it does not come out, no worries, it's okay. So basically, it will look like this. What now I am going to do is, I'm going to apply rhinestones. So what I am doing is, I'm taking the colorless nail polish, and on the spot where I am going to apply the rhinestone, I am placing a little bit of colorless nail polish. Okay, now I'm taking the rhinestones, and I'm sure you know how to take them, so I'm not wasting time on that, and applying it here in the very center. So you see how it looks? Very sparkly and easy. And now I am taking another one. Oops. It fell down, so I need to take another one from the package. Okay, here they are. So, I'm taking the rhinestone and applying it to the center. So basically, your application looks like this. So this is it, and I hope the tutorial was helpful for you, and give me your feedback. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.